How do you submit an earnest money deposit? One of the first things you do as a buyer after getting a signed agreement of sale is submitting your earnest money. A lot of realtors don't make a big deal about this because it is so routine. It happens on literally every single transaction. But for buyers, this is their first financial commitment of the deal, so it can seem scary and sometimes even confusing. So as soon as both the buyer and the seller sign the agreement of sale, instructions will be sent to the buyer on how to submit their earnest money deposit. These instructions might come from the buyer's agent, the listing agent, or even an assistant who is working with one of the agents. The payment is usually either a personal check, a certified check, a wire, or an electronic funds transfer. Most of the time, the earnest money deposit is being held by the listing agent's brokerage, and sometimes it is being held by the title company. And be on the lookout for strange instructions, especially if they're coming from a person or a company that you've never heard from. It never hurts to call your buyer's agent just to confirm before sending any funds. I'm Kyle McCorkle with Prime Home Real Estate, and thanks for watching.